Hey y'all, it's your girl Naya and welcome back to my channel. I know we done missed a few chapters, but as you can see, I'm in my new apartment. Well, it's not that new anymore. I've been here for about 6 months, I think. Not only am I in my new apartment, I transformed my closet. So as you seen in the beginning, I gave you a little sneak peek of how my closet looked, and I really wanted to give y'all more of a detailed rundown of everything that I got, how I did everything, and how I set everything up. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is an overall view of what my closet is looking like. So I have a wardrobe here with some shoes here, another wardrobe here. I have another cabinet here, my vanity, which I am obsessed with, and another wardrobe. So this is actually the 5-shelf bookcase from Target. I put the shelves on the bottom. I kept a few shelves empty here so I could put my boots there. I kept the top half empty so I could hang clothes up. And then I installed a rod from Home Depot. And the rod was pretty easy to install. They already come with screws. The only thing I did have to do was make holes in the actual bookcase to put the screws in where I wanted to. I do have like a whole toolkit from Amazon that have all these fancy screws that allow me to be able to do this. If you follow me on TikTok, you'll see what kind of screw I use. So yeah, go look at that video if you want a more detailed view of how I installed these rods, but they were super easy. I think the hardest part about installing the rods was making sure that it was straight. As you can see, this was the first one that I made. And you can see it's like slightly slanted, but just trying to get that leveled was a little bit difficult, but it's still very sturdy. I don't think it's going anywhere. And also if you look, I'm gonna show you on the other side, but if you really look, the screws are kind of poking out on the sides of it, but you know, you can't see that. So if you try to make it look real like clean cut, then maybe this DIY isn't for you. But I know that I'm the only one who's looking at this, and you can't even tell unless you looking for something. So yeah, I think it came out pretty good. But I put the rods on all of the bookcases that I was gonna hang up clothes. Also did it on the bottom here, and I just hung my purses from here. Back to the shelving, I got these 2 shelves from Wayfair. I got these because I wanted something for my shoes, and I kind of wanted like a display look to it. So I really like these, and it fits perfectly in between my 2 wardrobes or my 2 other bookcases, especially for the size of my closet. It fits perfectly. My lighting, I got the strip lightings from Home Depot as well. Now I will say this was pretty wasteful, I'm not gonna lie, only because you see how like the strip lights have these like copper looking pieces. Yeah, so you're able to like cut the strip how you want to. I think it comes with like 10 feet of lighting, and then of course you just adjust it as is, but the rest of the lighting is just going to waste because it's no longer connected to the battery pack. So yeah, if you know another way to install lighting in a closet like this without having to, you know, do a lot of electrical work, let me know. I mean, this is just like the best way I thought I can do it, but yeah, it can be very wasteful. So I ended up getting what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those packs. I literally had to get 7 of those packs to get this look. So if y'all know a better way to make this look like something without having to do electrical work, let me know. But this is the best way I could figure out how to do it. But I do like these lights because they are battery operated, and you can control it with a remote. So there's like plenty of settings that you can, you know, oh, let me see if I can, there we go. So there's plenty of setting, oh my goodness, sorry. Sorry. Okay, there we go. So there's plenty of settings that you can put your lights on. I'm just keeping it normal. But I like how these are also motion censored. So if I wanted to make a motion sensor, I could. Really cute. And you can also control it from this little battery pack here. And if you need to replace the batteries on here, you could just pop this off of here, take this off, and yeah, replace your batteries. But yeah, I recommend them, especially for if you're just a girl like me and just want something to look cute. Yeah, I think this was pretty easy to install. And then this is just on here with a sticker. It's just like adhesive on the back of this. So that's how I was able to stick up there. But yeah, that's where my lights are from. And then these pucker lights I got from Amazon. They come in a pack of 6, I believe. Yeah, I think it's 6. So I had to buy like 3 packs of these just to kind of get this look as well. This is also battery operated. Comes with the remote with a whole bunch of settings as well. And you can also like press the button to cut it on and cut it off. I don't know if it's going to do it. Oh, there you go. So yeah, real cool. Sorry, hold on. I hate that does that. Hold on. There we go. Sorry. But yeah, I really like that. And I feel like it gives it like the perfect display look. And it makes it look very expensive, you know? And the lights are pretty affordable. So yeah. And then this bookcase here is from Wayfair. I really like this because the top part is shelving and the bottom part also has shelving, but it's like has a door to kind of keep things concealed. I needed like storage space for extra towels, hair supplies, whatever else I wanted to put in here without it like looking so messy, you know? So I really like that. And I kind of put this door on wrong because it won't close all the way, but it's okay. I'm the only one in here. So yeah, you see the vision. Of course, I installed the same lighting in here. And then the purse displays that I use are all from Amazon. I love that they are acrylic because it gives it like a sleek look. It almost looks like it's floating. Also got this from Amazon, an acrylic perfume holder. Really love that. I wish I could have gotten 2, but I feel like it's a little too wide to add a second one, but this still works. I still like this. It's really cute. Then I bought the individual purse holders as well, just so I could put, just so I can put, you know, individual purses on display as well. And then up here, I do have more purse display. I'm going to organize the tops of these shelving. This is just what I could do for now. I have so many bags that I need to display. It's ridiculous. But anyways, I got this black purse holder also from Amazon. I want to get a few more, but that came in a pack of 3, I believe. So I only bought 1 pack because the stand is pretty high, so it couldn't fit in like these shelvings or the shelves. But yeah, I'm gonna get some more purse displays because I have so many purses. Like I have this whole container full of purses I need to do something with. Like this whole top part, I want to get like more shelves, not like this, but like horizontal shelves, and then organize it that way. But it's a work in progress, y'all. It's a work in progress. But yeah. Then my vanity, I absolutely love. I actually had a vanity, or actually bought a vanity a few months before I moved out, and it was black. But then when I set up my closet, I was like, oh, I need a white vanity to go in here just to kind of look like one piece, you know? So I got this vanity from Wayfair. It was pretty inexpensive, and I really like the circle light on here. It's just really cute, really classy. I don't know, it's just so cute. It also came with additional shelving here, and then little slots to add more of your items, and then 2 drawers. I just have all my makeup in here. It needs to be organized, don't judge, but it actually holds a lot of space. So it's like perfect. It holds all of my makeup. And yeah. So getting into what I have on top of my vanity, I got a jewelry holder to hold my necklaces and other jewelry, bracelets, all the other stuff. I don't know if I'm 100% in love with this, but we're going to keep it for now just because I feel like it's perfect for my necklaces so they won't get all tangled up. But we'll see. I might switch this up. I have all my lotions here, and then I got this super cute jewelry box from Amazon. It's also acrylic, and it holds a lot of jewelry. Like, these are all my rings. I still have space for my rings. I have more earrings here. And then I have some bracelets and miscellaneous things in there. But I really like this. It's super sleek and it blends in perfectly with the entire vanity. So really love that. And then I got this makeup brush holder from Home Goods. It's actually like a toothbrush holder, but I figured it would work better as a makeup brush holder. So I put my makeup brushes there. And then I got these canisters from Amazon. They're like amber colored. And I got them to put my cotton pads and then my puffs in here for my makeup. And yeah, this is the vanity. Adorbs. And then of course over here is just another 5 shelf bookcase from Target. I put no shelves here. It's just basically the frame for it. The top shelf I have like coats and stuff on here. Everybody asked me if it was like too heavy to hold my clothes, and these are like my heavy coats, and it's fine. It's sturdy. I will say I did not mount any of this to the walls, but I don't think I'm that rough on my clothes and on my closet, so I didn't feel the need to mount it. And honestly, like the this part, let me zoom in. This part of the wall here kind of prevents me from mounting it anyways, because it's not flat to the wall, you know. It's kind of like sticking out, if that makes sense. So I personally didn't mount it, but if you can, I would suggest it just for safety. But me personally, I don't think I have a problem with it not being mounted. But yeah, so the top I just put my coats, hung up my coats, and then the bottom I hung up my purses. I got these purse holders also from Amazon. I want to switch these out for either black ones or acrylic ones, just because I feel like it'll make it look a little more sleek. Don't mind the dust, y'all. Don't mind the dust, don't mind the dust. But yeah, I really love these purse holders. I think I want to get some more because I have a few more like bigger bags I want to hang up. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is what works for me. I do plan to do something with this top area here. Plan to do something here and plan to do something here. So yeah, if y'all are interested in just watching the progression of this closet, then of course, you know, just stay tuned. But this is pretty much it. I have my regular clothes, like my I have a lot of clothes in drawers too. So this is not even all my clothes, but yeah, this is just what I decided to hang up. But these are like my robes and some just random items. This is like sweatsuits, or yeah, my sweatsuits, tennis shoes, all my heels here. Some of my sandals are in there, slippers, boots, more heels, and yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. That is pretty much it. I feel like it was something else. Oh, and people asked me about what type of hangers I used. I actually ended up getting baby hangers because the regular size hangers kind of stick out. I'm about to show you. So you see how much it sticks out with the regular size hangers, but when I use baby hangers, it kind of don't stick out that much. So I was able to use baby hangers. These are all baby hangers. I just kept these just because, I don't know, I might need those extra hangers, but these are also on baby hangers and it worked for me. I don't know, my clothes aren't falling off, and yeah. But that's pretty much it, y'all. Thank you for watching my closet tour. I know it's been all over the place. I'm a little rusty because I have not like talked in front of a camera in a minute, you know, and I haven't really, I'm just rusty. I'm new to this. I'm new to YouTube. So I'm trying to get my flow, my lingo together, you know what I'm saying? But thanks for watching my closet tour. If y'all are interested in anything that y'all seen, I will have everything linked in the description box. And yeah, thanks for watching. See y'all in the next video. Bye.